Let me see it. No, don't shine it at me. Let me fucking see it. Fucking retard. Alright, dude, there's like a fucking shit ton of birds like mating or something. I don't know if you can hear it. Listen, listen. I'm gonna get closer. I'm gonna get closer and just listen. I don't know if you can. This is just pretty much a test out. Yo, come with me. I'm fucking scared. Like, this is where coyotes is, bitch.
Coyotes.
I believe.
Motherfucking
UFO! Imagine. Yo, shh. All right, let's get up to right here at this tree. Dude, come on, bitch. This is easy to climb, man. We can get back up when we're done. Or do you want me to throw your fucking phone?
I'll break yours.
All right, then that's fine. Now let's go. Bitch, you ain't gonna break mine. I'll break yours.
Plus I'll shoot you.
Yo, want a mint? Come closer.
Right here, man.
Yeah, right here. This is good to me.
Dude, give me one. Give me one.
A mint?
No, go. I'm gonna get a rock.
You're gonna throw a rock. Dude, you're not even gonna hit them. They're on the other fucking side, you fucking retard. That wasn't even you fucking whore, dude. That's oh god! Oh shit, dude, don't ever scare me, you fucking whore! Oh dude, I hear them! Oh shit, dude, I hear a gust of wind! Oh shit! Oh shit! Fucking dude, I heard them fucking flying. I don't know if you can hear anything.